Let's go. Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Emmanuel King. I am at the airport. I did it. I did it. So right now I'm at the airport. I'm at my gate just waiting for the plane to get here. I have a whole 2 hours because my transportation wanted to drop me off early because they were self-conscious of... If you guys can hear me, this is fucking trash. So right now I'm about to head towards Denver is where I lay over. Then I go towards Vegas. Hey you guys, what is up? I'm back. I just got off my flight. Now I am heading towards baggage claim.
The next day.
He's obsessed with me. I would be obsessed with myself as well.
I know that you tryna date me. She fell in love and is making her hate.
Hey you guys, what is up? I'm currently in my sister's guest bathroom, which is sort of giving me like a confessional vibe just by how tiny and like narrow it is. But that's besides the point. I'm dressed, I'm ready for my friend's Dylan's 21st. I don't have my shoes on, but I'm going to wear my red high tops. I'm pretty sure you guys seen them. They've been in the vlog. I love them. They're awesome. Somebody texted me saying, what's your plans and goals for tonight? And my plans and goals for tonight is I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that. Hey! Seriously do plan on having the most fun I am on this trip. I've already spent my first night here with my family, catch up, see the things I wanted, see the things I wanted to donate, get rid of. I had a lot of clothes, like a lot. I wish I could do that though. That'd be so fucking cool.
Let me in. Let me in.
Wow.
I don't even have to now.
I know, I just have to be in every clip now. As narcissistic as that sounded, I still stand by that. Ooh. Very exclusive. Love that.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, can you be my seat partner?
Sure. Sure.
Dylan, you want this seat? You want to be the center of the party, Dylan?
What's up?
12 seconds later.
Hey!
Hey, vlog.
Hey! Oh my god, so I'm in Vegas. It's Dylan's 21st. Woo!
Yes, sir.
Woo!
Hell yeah.
Right now we're about to eat. I think I'm gonna get sushi. What do you
Me
think?
too. I'm gonna eat the combo plate.
Exactly.
For real. That's why
Just a little montage moment. You wanna join? Oh my god. Dylan reload. Hi.
Bilson.
Fix?
Oh my gosh, yes, this is Fletcher.
Hey Fletcher.
Dylan, what are you doing here? What are you doing at Benihana's tonight? No pictures?
No pictures.
How was your day? I heard that you had COVID. Do you no longer have it? I'm sorry.
World peace. Feed the homeless.
Thank you. What are your plans tonight? Something big?
Donate to charity always.
Yes, very Batman, very Bruce Wayne. 3, 2, 1.
I believe in helping children, and that's why I'm building schools in Afghanistan.
Oh my god, look at those little
Wow,
boys.
thank you.
Sorry. Wow. Dating maybe?
Maybe, possibly couple.
Don't tell. She got nervous.
What's up, fam? How we doing out there? How we feeling?
Hey guys, we're at Benihana.
Benihana, you know the vibes.
You know the vibe. I'm ready to see this dude chop it up. You hear the sizzle. You guys are ready for it.
Anything on the menu now, right?
Oh, so I prefer not to split checks here, so I will pay for it if everyone would like to pay.
You're like, thank you. I'll get the lobster.
Talk to you guys later when the food starts coming, okay?
Outfits that I got.
Outfits that are gonna get torn off. Loving that shit. Hey,
It's my dad.
this is my dad. Hey. Sheesh.
Hey, vlog. You come to my room. No, I didn't.
You got some more waters as well.
Thank you.
You want the whole flashlight?
They're there in your background. I did not realize.
How you big dog in the miso soup for you here.
Thank you.
You got it. Got more waters coming as well. Thank you so much. I wanted a Red Bull vodka.
Hey.
Ay, qué bueno, chica, está loca la cabeza.
Can I open my eyes next time?
Oh my god.
I'm done.
Just one more time. Nope. Okay. No, and you guys don't have to bully me over it. But like, anyway.
He asked for chow mein instead of chopsticks.
Yes, and they almost got us chow mein. Anyway, back to the point of the video. He's about to bully me and tell me an embarrassing story about the cops. Go.
And this man, we're up there, it's me, Daphne, and Emmanuel. We're in a rental car in like this Jeep. He's in the back. He puts the seats down because he wants to lay down. Me and Daphne are in the front. Seats recline.
Completely sober.
We're just relaxing, right? We're just looking at the view. We're just vibing. Next thing you know, like there's like 2 cop cars on us, lights blaring, cops knocking on the window.
The fuck out. We all did. No. We were just, we were past curfew.
We were kids at that time.
Yeah, we were past curfew. So then, he asked for all of our IDs, and Emmanuel's reaching for his ID and his...
It's literally in my back pocket right now.
But it looked like he was pulling up his pants. And the
Because
officer's
he was
like...
rolled over.
Yeah. He's like, what are you doing back there? You're pulling up your pants?
No, he was like, are you pulling up your pants, bro? And he was like flashing the light at Emmanuel.
And I was like, no.
I thought we were having like a threesome in the car.
To be honest, I absolutely hate this story, but Dylan and Daphne will tell it to anybody that knows me, so might as well post it on the internet at this point.
Like we got caught or something. I was like, oh.
Yes, gonna get 40,000 all in cash.
40,000 all in cash.
Small bills.
20s. What's up? Hey!
Round two. That's for you, Dylan. It's a warning.
It's so important.
Oh, I don't like being the center of attention.
Wait, Melissa,
This is the one who got the dirty saying Lolo.
Oh my god.
attention, Benihana, we got a 21st birthday in the house. Happy birthday, we're gonna do, let's do 2 songs, one in English, one in Japanese. You guys know Japanese, help us out. If you don't, just act like you know you have to clap along. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. You're working on it, Happy birthday!
Hey!
Happy birthday.
I don't have. Here, do I have you scoot in? I'm gonna be on there.
Alright, because I got a pee-pee.
Oops, sorry, Ari.
Alright. Oh.
Yeah, I'm in it. You can see it good.
Well, I'm a very black man. First, look at the Jello shots. Hey!
You like it? Hey!
Dina!
Amen!
How are you?
Dylan, I love you!
Happy birthday, Dylan!
First bitch, get drunk as fuck!
Get fucked up, you have to.
Get more drunk.
I'm at like 12 shots. I don't even remember at this point.
6, but I'm like drinking! I'm a lightweight.
Exactly. That's what you are. Oh my god.
I love you.
Yes, we love you too. You've been camping with me. One day we gotta go camping.
So much is happening in this clip, but I just want to point out on how I wanted to go camping because I never went, and Alex is just kissing the screen towards Dylan. Like, what?
Daphne! Hey!
Daphne? Yeah. Talk sports all the time. Oh, I'm
You leaving? You want to say something about Dylan?
Dylan is one of the most kind-hearted persons I know. I fucking love that man to pieces.
Dylan?
Yeah.
Bitch, I love you, okay? I hope you know that.
Yes, we all love you. We're all here
love
for
you,
you.
Dylan. You know you're my family.
Birthday message for Dylan.
Where's
Hi,
he?
Dylan.
You just want to Dylan, you just want to
No, he really is.
yo.
Hey! Yeah! Mom, you have to say a birthday message for Dylan before you leave.
Dylan!
That's what it is. Tap in.
Dylan, you look like you're gonna fall.
I'm out of here. We'll see him till next time.
I absolutely love this clip because I'm just so sad that Alex is leaving and he has the smile like he won a lottery or something.
I love you. I love you more. Birthday message for Dylan?
I love you so much, and I'm so proud of you. And I look up to you.
21 years old. Great. Yep.
Perfect, like, selfie.
That's why I have the sunglasses, baby.
Happy birthday, Dylan. Appreciate you very much.
Happy birthday, Dylan.
Hey guys, this is my vlog, but it's Dylan's birthday video. So
Happy birthday. You're a slut. You irritate me. And it's been 7 long years, but there's many more years to come. All right. Hey, you guys. So Melissa wants to give her own thoughts into the vlog. So I'm going to give her the camera and give her the spotlight.
Hey guys, it's Melissa. Welcome back. I literally have a shot in my city right now. It's not full. It's just when I want to take a shot. I'm like, hey.
You know where you're.
You know what I mean? Exactly. It's literally right here. It's so convenient.
You just gotta.
But this is a family channel, so let's like not show that. But like, this is Daniel, Dylan's brother. He is fucking cool.
I'll give him an Instagram shout out because he always does.
Shout out for shout out. Hit me in the comments. But anyway, I just wanted to say that I love Dylan so much. Happy freaking birthday to him. I look really good. I'm a Leo, if you couldn't tell.
Viewers knew you were a Leo the second that I said that you wanted a segment for this vlog.
So I just claim that I look good all the time when I really do. Don't I look good?
Yeah.
Thank you. I know. Emmanuel gave me his vlog, which means that I'm gonna say some advice. Kiss whoever the fuck you want whenever you want. Because you only live once. Maybe you'll get mono. Don't get mono. But maybe if you will, it's worth it. Also, take all the shots you want in the world. I don't know where Emmanuel went. I'm here with all the snacks. Haven't eaten a bit. I think I had pizza. Is there pizza here? Thanks, vlog. See you later. Happy birthday, Dylan. Bye, Emmanuel.